channel. I am doing another section of decluttering. Come on along. I'm gonna look at my purses and my wallets because they are very bad. It's definitely not as bad as it used to be, but I'm sitting here in my bedroom and I'm gonna open up this drawer here, and I have a couple extra things at the top here that I kind of gathered through a couple places in my house, and we're gonna go through this stuff. All right. I need to be ruthless. Ruthless. Hold me accountable. Okay, so I have this backpack from Aldo. This is really nice. I just recently got this. I think for now I'm gonna hang on to this. This is a Fossil crossbody bag that I got a really long time ago. This is definitely a keep. I do wear this a lot and it's really nice. I really like this. The next thing is another Fossil bag. This is more of like a mini tote. I really like this. I also carry this a lot. It's a shoulder bag. I only have a couple shoulder bags, but I'm keeping this one. This one is my Longchamp bag. This is definitely a keep. I wear this a lot. I actually got this probably 10 years ago, and it is still very, very wonderful. Next thing is my Coach clutch. So I do have a clutch that I love. So when I go to weddings and stuff like this, it's big enough to hold all my stuff, my wallet, everything like that. And I already have Band-Aids in it and hair ties. And I just kind of leave that in here. So this is a keep. The other clutch that I have is this one. This is from the company Brahmin. I got this at Von Maur a long time ago. Originally, this was the only clutch I had, and this is the one that I used for all my weddings. But I wanted to get the Coach one because it was a little bit bigger, as you can see. This held more stuff, but my intention was to get rid of this one, and clearly that hasn't happened. So this is probably gonna go. So let's maybe. Okay. The other two things that I have, this is another Fossil. If you can tell, I really like Fossil. This is an over the shoulder bag. Love this. This is probably one of my most recent purchases. So this is a keep. This one is a DKNY. It's another crossbody. It's perfect for when I don't want to carry a lot of stuff, but it's big enough to carry some stuff. So I am going to keep this. So far, there's a lot of keeps. The other thing that I have is, this Tory Burch bag. I just recently got this from Nordstrom Rack, and I love this. It's big enough to carry my laptop if I need it or anything like that. So I'm definitely going to put this in the bag and make sure I put it in this, this drawer. The other thing that I have, the last purse that I have, second to last purse that I have, I forgot I took this out. Is this Michael Kors one. I love this. It is a structured bag, and it definitely isn't long enough to go over the shoulder or crossbody, but I absolutely love this bag. I got this at TJ Maxx. Love it. Okay, this one right here, this one I actually got from my mother a long time ago, and it's a really good bag. I just don't wear it. So unfortunately, I am going to get rid of this one. I am actually going to give this back to my mother if she wants it. If not, I'm pretty sure my sister will take it. So I'm going to ask my mama about this one. All right. This is where it's got to get ruthless. Look at this. So this is all of my wallets and such. This is just a cosmetic case that I keep them in, so that way I have a structured thing that I can just pull from in the corner of my thing. So I'm going to keep that, but right off the bat, I think I'm going to just spread all of these out, and I'm going to take the things that I love. I love this. I got this at a local store where I live. This was for a hand-me-down store. Love this. So this is a love. Keeping this. This is a love. I love this little coin purse. It's just really, really cute. I got this at Forever 21. So I love this. I love my Starbucks little thing. I am a pretty self-proclaimed zipper snob, and this zipper is very nice. So, and it's just the right amount of hold, so I love this. I love this. I don't wear it often, but it is super cute. It's an old-time wallet, and I got this probably 15 years ago. I do love this wallet. This is just a perfect holder for all of my cards if I want something small. So I definitely like that. I can tell you immediately without it, I'm going to get rid of these. I bought this kind of on a whim. Oh, and there's receipts in it. So I can get rid of those. Clearly I didn't clean that out. I don't want this. And this either. I bought this and it's the cutest little thing. I have never used this. So these two things are gonna go. All right, so this I recently got as well. This is a little card holder. I do like this. This is a maybe. This is the black version of that one, of this one. I think at one point I was afraid this was gonna break, and I had used it so much. Oh, hey, there's stamps in here. I had used this so much that I was kind of afraid it was gonna break. But it hasn't. So I've like literally never used this. I have literally never used this. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this one because I like this one because if I have a black purse then I can see it. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that. All right, we're down to the last few. I like this. This is a cute little clutch. This came with a tote, and I got rid of the tote because I never wore it. It's a beautiful fossil clutch. The leather on this is absolutely gorgeous, but I never use it. So I never use this, so I'm gonna get rid of this too. This one here I recently got. I think this is just the cutest little thing. This is a maybe. I just recently also got this one. But I don't know. Like, I think this is a maybe too. I do think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have had this for so long. And the thing I like about it, and maybe I might get rid of some of those instead. The thing I like about it is, yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this, is it's very practical in the fact that like I can use this zipper part over here to keep like my credit cards and all my IDs and stuff. And I like how it zips shut and it keeps everything secure. Whereas this one is just like a flippy thing. So I feel like, I mean, I don't really think things are gonna fall out of it, but there's no secure. So then I can keep my cash in here. Yeah, I mean, it stinks to lose cash, but I mean, that's just a set amount. Whereas your driver's license and your credit cards, like that's, I feel like that's worse. So, well, I don't think it is. It is worse, but I'm going to keep this. I'm going to keep this because I wore this. I think this was my wallet one time for like an entire year. And which is very shocking for me. So I'm going to keep this one. This one is just a very simple, little like cosmetic bag in a way. I have had this for so long and I just don't need 3 of these. Like I just like, and what irritates me is that I just bought this and this was like $20. And I mean, shame on me for spending that, but I just didn't end up liking it the way that I wanted. I mean, maybe I just haven't given it a full chance. I don't know. Like, I feel like, I feel like I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this one. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this one. This is just so cute. The zipper's real good. Yep. I think I'm gonna keep, I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna get rid of this. Executive decision. And then this one I'm gonna keep as well, because I really do like this. So, that's really good. So now, let me put all my stuff back in here. So this is a nice little collection of things I'm getting rid of, and I'm repurposing this one, so that's nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with my decision to get rid of these things, and that was a success. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and do that. Also, hit the like button if you liked this video, and hit that little bell notification if you want to be reminded every time I post videos, which is every Friday. I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. You know, I just recently did another one of these, and I think you should check it out. What? Yeah, I really think you should. Like here or here. I mean, I feel like, listen, we've said this before. You just click on everything on this page and you will not be disappointed. Okay, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.